Hello. We're live. Man, my eyes immediately got dry. Yes. So, what are we going to do today? We have some QC to do. Let's see. Let me wait for the streams to be up. And then I'll give it the rundown. All right. Test. Still not working. Come on. Let's try this again. Social stream. That looks like it might be done. Test. Very lovely. Cool. Alright. So, we got a pull request on GitHub that I accepted. And now I need to go through and QC to kind of get the style in that of XHUD. I made a couple of notes on a couple of files that I want to work with. I don't know if that's the right way around. Maybe it is. Huh, interesting. But yeah. So to elaborate on what that means, stuff like vertex alpha, we don't need that. We also probably don't need vertex color. Let's see. Can I even open it in here? Well, I don't want to open it like that. Let me... This looks to be white. Oh, shit. Yeah, this shouldn't even need vertex color, really. Does it even need translucent? Let's check. I don't think it'll need that stuff. I might need vertex color. It would be smart for me to not remove this stuff because it doesn't... That stuff costs bytes to exist. But what is that, like 100 bytes? So it doesn't really matter, but I care. I shouldn't, but I do. Alright, so... It's kind of... That's the icon that we need. Let's see. vertex color allows me to color it with the actual HUD code. So like .res files. Translucent allows it to be translucent. So if I do mat underscore reload all materials BGY / replay / thumbnails, my stream will probably stutter, so I'm not going to talk during that. Alright, now if we look at this, it looks better. They're kind of aliased different. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of how that looks. Maybe I'll make my own glyph, I don't know. You probably can't tell, but they're aliased differently, and this doesn't really have the, like, the film leader coming off of it like the original did. So it kind of just looks like the cylinder of a revolver. But I don't know. Maybe that's okay. So this should be done, so we can close that. And then what I need to do here, I'll go through and remove auto resize. Auto resize. Oh. And pin corner. And replace space with tab. Wrap and center wrap being in the same place are redundant. Text alignment center is redundant when center wrap exists because it will automatically be centered. Let me go full screen on this because we're going to be doing this for a little while. Oh, I just messed everything up. Fuck me. Background type defaults to 0. Set title bar. I don't know if that needs to be 0, so I'm not going to mess with it. One of these doesn't need Z-pause. Probably. Auto resize does nothing. Pin corner does nothing in this case. Tab position effectively does nothing. Dull text does nothing. Bright text does nothing. Default doesn't really do anything. You probably don't even need center wrap for this. Text alignment. Center. HUD font small bold. Size 14 is a suitable replacement. Zipa's 10,000 is also kind of gross. Let's see. It's my like arbitrarily high number is 6969. I like to have an arbitrarily high number that is different than the number used to just like yeet things off screen, which I usually use 9999 for. And 10,000 is a little too close to that. So I believe that is what happens if you go to the Manco store. Oh fuck. If you go to the Manco store, and you press checkout, your shopping cart is empty. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let me just double check for auto resize, pin corner, default. What was I looking for? Default tab. Alright, and then let's see. We normalize the tab spacing. To 2. And that's good. That is a QC'd maybe. We'll call that good. That is QC'd. Store preview item panel. All right. That's this area. Hoo-wee. it'll be interesting to see how resize affects this. XPOS and YPOS being those values are unnecessary. We'll keep that at F0. Is it a scroll bar? Where? Is it here? No? Weird. Paint background type 0. Unnecessary. This shouldn't be necessary. Full screen background panel. Do I like that? Wait, what? Just goes void? What the fuck? What was that? Gray, spelled the American way. Let's see. Transparent black would probably be good there. Rounded dialogue border. I don't know what that entails. Dialogue frame. Oh, what the fuck did I just do? VGI underscore raw tree 1. What am I looking for? Dialogue frame. Item review panel. So not what I'm looking for. Store preview item. Dialogue frame. I'm looking for the MVM upgrade panel. Upgrade panel, where are you at? Upgrade panel. Gray dark. Is that the border? Oh, yeah. Oh, what the fuck? Weird. Alright. What the fuck? What are these by default? I gotta check the default HUD because I don't like the way these are being done. TF2 default HUD. GitHub. Store preview item panel. Okay. Background color. I think I'm gonna need to use the override, but that's fine. Red. Background color. Red. This might be a flashbang. If this works, this will be a flashbang, and I apologize. I did save, yes. Override. Override. Something ain't right here. Interesting. Gray. Might be gray darkest. No, not that. I think that's right. Or black light. 127. Fuck. Fuck. What did I do? I just closed colors. That's all. Black light. I think that's what it should be. It's just like a slight bit darker than... Yeah. I think that's what it originally was. Backside GitHub. Fucking worthless. Oh my god. Fuck off, computer. Do what I want you to do, please. There we go. Oh, what? Why the fuck am I trying to text it? I can. My naming schemes are smarter than I am. Fuck. Material black light should be the same color as black light. Who would have guessed? Not me, evidently. My brain sometimes is smooth. Alright. The Z-pos of this will inherently be higher than its parent. So it doesn't need Z-pos. Fun facts. This does not have Z-pos. Auto resize, spin corner is useless. I don't know if anything would need wrap. West is the default text alignment, so I don't need that. Scrollable, editable panel for right hand side of preview for all text details. So I guess I need something with a description. Give me a description. I don't think many things have descriptions anymore. Maybe I need more text? I don't know. What am I looking for? Details view. In the son of dialogue. Free. Details view. Scrollable child. I mean, I don't know if it needs to scroll, man. Item wiki page? Where does this go to? Oh, the TF2 wiki? Isn't that community run? Interesting. Huh. Paint background uses less bytes. I mean, also bits than this. Fun fact. Paint background 0. I don't think ZPause is necessary here. All controls below get laid out off of the item name label's position. Okay, sir, you could... I think this was written by Valve, but like Valve, you can hit enter occasionally. You've already used up multiple lines here. Text alignment northwest. I think that's what we want for your wrap. I think that's fine. What color is this? Did I delete the color? I don't know. Must not have. Alright, let's make sure we didn't break anything too bad. Nope, not this. Looks good. Why does this have a Z pause? I see why. That shouldn't be necessary. I mean, nothing else in here has a Z pause, so we can just set as a Z pause too. I do believe. Alright, class model panel. I don't think this is necessary. What? Also, paint background enabled. I don't think I've ever fucking seen that. What does this do? I don't know. I'm not convinced this does anything. Oh, fuck. What was that panel called? Class model panel? Damn, boy! That shit's bright as hell. What if I just... Because I think we already paint the background of that, don't we? Yeah. Beautiful. Preview item model panel. God damn, there's so much to this. Fuck me. What is this a part of? Wait, this is just a part of the overall. What the fuck? My foot in tarnation. Preview item model panel. Preview item model panel is that main contents container item model panel. And then if I do that, it turns into class model panel. Okay. Item icon 1. Are there multiple styles? I don't believe so. Item icon 1. Okay. Well, that's an interesting way to do that. It's kind of cool. How many of these are there? Oh no, shot, they're all in different spots. Okay, hold on. Why is Z-Pause 13? What the fuck is that about? $22.25. What the fuck, man? Worthless computer. Worthless. Wait, why is Z-Pause a negative 10? Did it not even save? What the hell, man? Piece of junk. All right, class usage panel. I'm curious what the image indent does. It doesn't look indented. I guess that means, I guess that means its Z-pause is like, lower. Lower than the border, I guess. That might be useful. Icon move left button. Oh. I should just be able to set these to probably Z-pause 1, right? I'll set them to 2, why not? Text alignment center. Sure. Command icons left. Okay. Paint background 0. Okay. This can be there. Mouse over. I don't know what the mouse over panel is. Resembles the Steam Deck UI? Oh, does it? I can't say I've used my Steam Deck enough to really recognize that. Alright, those work. What is the class usage mouse over panel? I don't know. Class usage mouse over panel. The fuck? I don't think that's a real thing. I mean, I guess I'll be conservative with the edits here. Z-pause 99. Sure, I don't know where it's popping up, but sounds about right. Background color override. We can just do paint background 0. Text alignment center is unnecessary when we have center wrap. Rotate left, but is that it? That's definitely that. Weird. Command -1. Oh. Yeah, I guess. That kind of makes sense how that works. I was like, that's fucking stupid. Why? That's not a command, but I guess it is. Yeah. Paint background 0, sure. Space those out. Foreground, 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 button activation type. Yeah, 0 is fine there. That up to here. Next weapon button. What? Where is that? Is that in like the full screen? No, that's a different pan. What the fuck? That doesn't exist. Oh, weird. It's strange that the Z position changes after you close that, but that's an easy enough fix. Right below Y pause. I'm gonna go in here and normalize the tab spacing pretty soon, so don't worry that that's off alignment. I'm still convinced the next weapon button is not a thing. Yeah, that shit's some fake news, man. Doesn't exist. Not real. Can't hurt me. I don't think I need the label text since it's in the image button. Ah, I do. Cool. I shouldn't need the text alignment though. I don't need foreground color if I have all of these. Although having all of those is kind of weird. But oh well. If I'm not painting the background color, I don't need to draw it. want to make it a little darker when it's not selected. It is good to know. Stay selected on click. Could be useful. Paint background, paint border. Keep both of those. Sure. Yeah, I like how that's darker. It's a little more clear, in my opinion. Team nav panel though, what is that? Team nav panel. What is that? Oh. Silly me, I was just editing that. Buttons. Looks good. Cycle text label. Where the fuck is that? Oh, unpainted. So now if I... That's fine. Text alignment left is not a value. Silly rabbit. That's why it's centered. It's because they have center wrap, which overrides it. Imbeciles! Referring to Valve, hopefully. I don't think I need the label text. If it's being overridden, maybe I'll have it just in case. Should I? Fuck it, we ball, baby! I'll have to find an unpaintable item to see what that looks like. Because I suspect it might mess up if it's unpaintable. Not certain. This doesn't look like it'd be paintable. Why the fuck is Batman's belt paintable, man? Yes, that is what I expected. Oh my god. My intuition's too powerful. The pocket villains. Aha! Yes. Very good. Heck, put these two labels off screen since we have cycle text take place above. Do we need them? Paint name label and style name label? They don't appear visible one way or another. For stats. What does that mean? Will I crash? It's possible. Maybe Valve actually knew what they were doing when they coded this VGUI item. Does not appear to be the case. Nope. I'm gonna go with nope. Negatory. All father. Can you not buy the all father? Oh, all dash father. God damn it. Why? Or why? Yeah, I don't think they even needed them. Hmm? I hope Valve does something useful with those stats. Because I'm not removing them so that they can use it. We'll set that with 3. Be a real gamer. No, I don't need it. We'll use 2. Auto resize, get out of here. Tab position, get out of here. HUD font, small or bold. Size 14. GW, size 14. Nope. Try it out button. What the fuck? Try it out. Size 14. It bothers me that this is larger than everything else. HUD font small, boldish. Font small, boldish. What? R down? Smallish bold. How could I make that mistake? Silly me. Smallish bold. Size 16. Lovely. Love that I was able to quantify that. God damn it. Ooh. I don't want to edit those. Server item panel? What does it mean? Alright, I won't mess with it too much. Alright. Surprised I removed all of this. I know there's a replace all button. I prefer to see it, even if it's very fast. All right, cool. I believe that's that completed. Did the pull request not have preview item panel full screen? I'm curious. No, I don't think it did. Interesting. Do I just say fuck it and go for it? What's this file look like? Oh man, I don't want to edit this. Oh, I kind of do. Let's see what it looks like. This looks like shit. You can't see anything, but yeah, this is what the left side of that looks like. This is what the right side of that looks like. It looks like you're in the void. So I think I should edit it. Honestly, I normally don't like doing that. Move to UI econ. Move here. Wait. Mouse message forwarding panel. That, I wonder if I could do some cool shit with that. I feel like I might be able to, but maybe I don't. Maybe I don't. That could be a crazy can of worms, though. But it could be interesting. It could be. Let's see. Oh. Oh, but it like fades to black. Why? Why do you gotta do that? Oh, fuck. Am I biting off a can of worms I don't want to bite into on this episode? Am I fucking dumb? Yeah, damn. I'm sorry. Fuck. Gray darkest. Gray darkest. I want it to be the same color as the background, but it's going to be hard to do because it's a weird color. I think. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Not. We'll see. That's kind of nice, not gonna lie. Do I go black light? Black lights. It's, luckily I can compare these pretty easily. What do we think? Anyone here with ideas? Anybody have ideas in the building? Any ideas? Why? This just looks like I was looking at Medic's ass when I alt-tabbed, which I guess technically I was, but that was not the intention. Draw colored white. Something tells me these are not paintable or not colorable. I don't know. They don't have vertex color enabled in their VMT properties. That is in fact the case. Bummer. Big bummer. Uh-oh. HUD font bigger, bold. HUD font larger, bold. All 35. Size. We'll go size 40. Size 40. auto resize, pin corner, tab position, dual text, bright text. Separate these. White. Main, theme. DW, 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 CW. Main, theme. Next weapon button is fake news. But we'll keep it. I don't know why. HUD font smallest. Don't know what that is. HUD font smallest. Next weapon. Size 10. Size 10. HUD font. HUD font medium, small, bold. God damn. HUD font medium, small, bold. Size 18? Is there a size 18? Or do I have to round down? Do size 16 on that. HUD font. Okay. Dual text, bright text, text alignment, center. That's kind of weird that they would have inset X for center to button, but whatever. Select 2. Zoom button 2. Auto resize, pin corner, tab position. You don't need a font because you're an image button. You also don't need a text alignment. White. 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 And background pink. Border. $2,100 $255. is an image button, isn't it? Yeah. HUD font small bold. HUD font small bold. Size 14. Size 14. Oh yeah, I said I didn't want to edit that. B. Alright. Auto reset. Tab. Pause. Tab pause, dual text, rights, text, default. Alright, that should be done. Hello? Fade out? The buttons should fade out if that wasn't clear. Oh no, what did I do? Fuck. This is why you test as you go, man. I done goofed. Fuck my life to pieces. This is my last resort. Ah, zipas. Ah, zipas. I think it needs to be like higher level to pull the mouse. Yes, fantastic. Fucking sick, man. That's awesome. Can I just set that to 1? And then we should call the stream here, I believe. Interesting. See if we can get through any other files. If there's any like easy, if the next one is easy, we're trying to go in order here. Oh boy, a package has arrived. Cool, it fades out. Very nice. Very epic. Let's test it with a weapon. Those are selectable. Those are selectable. Those work. That works. That works. Cool. Those fade out. Very nice. This is also quite an extensive file, so we are not going to fuck with that right now. Instead, I don't know. I guess we'll upload this to GitHub. Sounds like a good idea to do. Let's see, custom XUD. Let me just make sure I have it on the right branch. Yeah. QC work in progress. Pull request. Let's see how many of these I need. God, these are fucking big files, man. Oh, goodness. Some of these aren't too bad. Fuck me. Yeah, that sucks. Oh well, I guess I'll probably be doing more of this off stream later in the week in my mornings. So, yeah, I'm out. Later.